roughly pull out all this damage first, and then I will start cutting it apart. I have this quarter panel all fit up. I have a Subaru Impreza here. This one got smoked in this left rear corner, destroyed the quarter panel. You could actually see that all of this is pushed forward and it closed up the gap at the rear door. So this one's gonna get a new quarter panel, which I have right here. However, first I'm gonna make some poles and roughly pull out all this damage first, and then I will start cutting it apart. I got this quarter panel all pulled out. I'm gonna go ahead and roughly get this quarter panel cut off. I'm gonna cut everything short, and then once it's off, out of my way, I might have to do a little more pulling on the structure in here. I'll see what it looks like once I get the panel out of my way. Now I also have this floor extension piece right here that's getting replaced, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that cut out as well. Now, I was hoping I was going to be able to cheat this floor piece in here, in between these two layers, but it looks like that's going to be damn near impossible without removing this piece. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece off. I have them ordering a new one of these, and then I'll be able to start fitting this floor section up. Now, Subaru has the measurements on where they want this quarter panel sectioned in at, and it looks like they want the cut right here 130 millimeters down from this edge right here. So I'm going to mark that one. Then this cut's going to be 250 millimeters from the same point over, right about here. The reason they have the sectioning procedure up here is because if you put this whole thing in, this goes underneath the roof skin. So the roof would have to come off in order to put this in. So they do this just to simplify the repair. So I went ahead and I sat this quarter panel on here, and it's overlapped the last little section of the original panel on the car. And in order to make a perfect cut, I'm gonna scribe the car right where this cut is. Then I will lift the panel back off and I'll trim this back the rest of the way at all three joints, and that'll give me a perfect cut. Well, I have this quarter panel all fit up on this Subaru, and you can see my door gap is nice and even and consistent, as well as the gap across the back at the tail light meets up good, and the rear hatch. So this one is ready to weld on. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the parts back off, get them out of my way, and I'm gonna get this quarter panel welded on. So I finally got this plate that goes right inside of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece prepped out and get it welded in, and then I will send this car over to Eric to do the fill work on the seams and get it primed up.